Hello everyone, welcome to Aasaan Services. Today we'll be talking about the task module in Aasaan ERP Lite. So basically, this module will help you, easily track, assign, and manage all your tasks all in one place. As we all know, managing tasks efficiently is very crucial for any business, right? So basically, this module will help you streamline all your workflow, keep track of your pending activities, and ensures there's nothing falls through the crack. So let's dig in. First of all, to navigate to the task module, you'll go to the left hand menu where you will see task, then you click on all, where you will see the table where all the information regarding the task will be displayed. Now to create a new task, you will click on the plus button, and if you want to filter any task from this table, then you can use this filter. Also, you can generate a report for all the tasks that has been added in the table. And now let's create a new task. We will just have to click on the plus button here. Once the page loads, you will see a form that you have to fill. Like suppose you want to assign as you can assign a lead or deal to your employee that they have to follow up or something. Suppose I'll just give a lead 2 for now, then I'll write call them. And then I'll assign it to the users, to my employees. As currently I just have one employee, that is myself, so I'll just assign it to myself. Then I'll give a priority, suppose medium, and then I'll say it's assigned, and I'll give a due date. Suppose you need to call them by tomorrow or something, day after tomorrow. Then this result date is for them to fill up later on. This is like a test, and I'll just click on submit. Once it's submit, you will see the details page where all the information that you have entered will be displayed. Also, you can write down comments and upload images or anything as required. You can upload documents as well, and also you can take a printout or just go back to the list. Once you go back to the list, you will see that the task you have created is been added to the table. And now this task, since it has been assigned to this user, it will be reflecting in their user account. Since it's assigned to me, so if I go to assign to me, it will be showing over here. So after I finish the task, I can simply just click on the ID, and as the page loads, you can see there is all the information, and there is the comment option here. I'll just write that I have called and the deal have been closed or something like that, and then I'll just click on submit, and then this will be shown to the person who have created the task. So once I click on exit, and since my task is completed, I'll just update it from the table itself. I'll just click on the status here. I'll just update it to resolved and just confirm it, and then it will be removed from my table. Like from even my account, it will be removed from there. It will show to the admin though in the all section. If they just go there, it will be shown there as resolved. They can update the resolve date by editing it later on, and whoever assigns it, even they can see whatever they have assigned in their reported by me section, where they will see all the tasks they have assigned to other people, and in assigned to me, they will see all the tasks they have been assigned. So that's all about the task module. From here you can assign anything basically to your employees, and it's very easy to manage from here. As you can see all the tasks that are pending, anything that is opened up, or anything is still in progress or resolved. You can see everything from here. You can also generate reports at the end of the month and see whatever is left. Everything you can do it from here, and it's very easy to manage from here since everything is in one place. So that's all about the task module. I hope you all understood it, and if there is any confusion, please write it down in the comments below, and thank you for watching.